Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a food challenge video. You already got that from the title. Many of you keep asking me that how can we prepare our own meal in weekdays because we are working, we don't have time to cook or clean. And I always encourage you guys to prepare your own meal no matter what. And today I'm here with a solution. Today I'll be showing you how can you prepare your own meal in few minutes without any mess in microwave. In microwave, you can prepare breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner and many more. Don't be surprised, I'm gonna prove it in this video. So this video will be a 24 hours microwave healthy food challenge. The recipes I'm gonna show you all are delicious and healthy. And even I'm not gonna add a single drop of oil in any dish. If you're a student, bachelor or busy bee, this video will be super helpful for you, so stay tuned. But before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So jump into the challenge. In breakfast, I'm gonna make oats bowl. I'm taking here rolled oats. At first, I'm gonna add rolled oats into the bowl. Next, I'm adding chia seeds. And then I'm gonna add almond milk into this. You can go for any milk of your choice. I'm mixing all this with the help of a spoon. Now I'm gonna microwave it for 2 minutes. Now this is soft and fluffy. I'm gonna add unsweetened cocoa powder into this. Adding 1 spoon of peanut butter. This is homemade peanut butter. I will share the link of this peanut butter recipe in description below, so please check this out. Now giving it a good mix. Here I'm adding 1 spoon of honey. Again mix. At last, here I'm adding 1 whole banana into this. So my healthy, quick, yummy breakfast bowl is ready to enjoy. For the lunch, I'm gonna make khichdi. We need a big bowl for this, and here I'm making for 2 servings today. I'm taking here brown rice, adding into this bowl. You can choose any rice of your choice. Then I'm adding moong dal into this. At first, I'm gonna wash it properly. This is completely washed and clean. Adding 1 cup of water into this, and I'm gonna soak this for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm gonna add all the spices into this. In the spices, I'm taking here Himalayan pink salt, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, cumin powder, grated ginger, cumin seeds, bay leaf, dried red chili, cloves, cinnamon, green cardamom. After adding all the spices, I'm mixing all this together. Here I'm adding another 1 cup of water into this. I'm gonna microwave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, look, the rice and dal are completely cooked. You can eat like this, but I like to add some veggies into this. In the vegetables, I have taken here carrots, cauliflowers, green long beans, tomatoes and green chilies. Now I'm gonna add all the chopped vegetables into this. Always try to add a lot of vegetables into your diet. You can add any vegetables of your choice. In this stage, I'm gonna add half a cup of water into this. It depends how sticky your rice and dal is. I'm mixing all this together. I'm gonna microwave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm checking here my vegetables are cooked or not, and I think these vegetables will take another 5 minutes to be completely cooked. So here we go, putting into microwave for another 5 minutes. Now it's completely done. With this, I'm gonna make today's scrambled eggs. To make the scrambled eggs, I have taken here 1 mug. Here I'm adding 2 eggs into this. Now I'm beating the eggs with the help of a fork. I have added salt and pepper into this. At first, I'm gonna microwave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'm checking the eggs are completely cooked or not, and I think it will need another 30 seconds. Now look at this is completely cooked. And my scrambled eggs is ready. How simple was that? Here is the serving time. In a bowl, I'm taking the khichdi. Adding the scrambled eggs on the side. I'm gonna add few drops of desi ghee or clarified butter on top of the khichdi. This will make the khichdi more tastier. Adding half of a lime. So here it is, my super simple, delicious lunch bowl. This is full of protein and fiber, a balanced meal. For evening snacks, I'm gonna make today corn chaat. Here I have 1 whole sweet corn. I'm gonna microwave it for 3 minutes. Let it cool a little bit. Now I'm gonna clean all this. In a plate, I'm placing a small bowl. I'm cutting out all the kernels. Here I have all the corn kernels. You can eat this with some seasoning. But today I'm making corn chaat, so I'm gonna add cucumber, onion, green chilies, coriander, squeezing lemon juice, sprinkling black salt, mixing all this together. I like to add some dry roasted peanuts on top of this. And yeah, my yummy corn chaat is ready to enjoy. Here is the time for dinner. For dinner, I'm gonna make steamed chicken. Here I have sliced chicken breast. I have sliced the chicken breast before. You can replace the chicken breast pieces with any boneless chicken pieces. This is organic chicken. Always try to go for organic chicken. It's better for your health. For this recipe, I'm taking here sliced tomato, onion, garlic, ginger and green chili, half of a lime. In the spices, I'm taking here Himalayan pink salt, turmeric powder, black pepper powder and garam masala powder. At first, I'm going to marinate the chickens. I'm squeezing the lime juice into the chicken and mixing the chicken with the lime juice. Now adding all the spices into this. and the sliced tomatoes, onions, gingers, garlic and green chilies. Giving it a good mix. I'm gonna rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to microwave it for 8 minutes. Here my chicken is completely cooked. I have made this for 2 servings. Now it's plating time. I'm adding green leafy veggies on the side. So yeah, our dinner is ready. I think this is the easiest and simple chicken recipe ever. And this steamed chicken is so yummy. Try this out. So I have completed the 24 hours microwave healthy food challenge. You guys have seen how I prepared my meal in microwave. So don't make excuses now that you don't have time to cook. These all are simple, easy, healthy and delicious. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Guys, please do subscribe to my channel. I will meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys.